Hello YouTube, today I have a review of the Invicta Pro Diver. This is an automatic movement watch. I've had this watch about 6 months. You can see here, it'll come up on camera, you can see it has some wear in it. This is my everyday watch. I wear it a lot. I have gotten it in the water and it's fine. Rotating bezel. It's pretty accurate. This was under $100, so it's really accurate for the price. I don't even notice it being inaccurate. Maybe after like a week and maybe a couple minutes fast or slow, so you can't ask for much more at this price point. Solid end links, you can see that they're solid. The rotor winds the watch in either direction, so it's more efficient that way. I highly recommend this watch. Here's some quick measurements of it. It's about 4 centimeters from bezel to bezel here. From lug to lug, it's about 5 centimeters. The bracelet width is about 2 centimeters. It's not that heavy. Here's another item for size comparison. Here's a quarter. I hope this helped in your decision making for this watch. Thanks for watching.